Hello everyone, welcome to Imperfect Skin. My name is Judith and I'm here to help you to achieve the best skin you can possibly have with the proper skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of the upcoming video. Today, I'm gonna show you what is dry skin and also the tips to take care of it. Before I start, here is a shout out to Isabel for requesting this. This video is for you. Alright, so what is dry skin? Are you sure that your skin is actually dry or is your skin actually dehydrated? Well, is there any difference? I know it could be really tough to decipher what the heck our skin is trying to tell us every day, like determining whether our skin is either dry or dehydrated. Just so you know, if you think that your skin feels tight means you have dry skin, well, think again, because dehydrated skin can still be oily and feel tight, while dry skin may just feel tight. There is a main difference between dry skin and dehydrated skin. Dehydrated skin lacks of water content in the skin, the hydration, the moisture, but there's no problem in terms of the skin ability to produce oil. Dehydrated skin is a skin condition rather than a skin type. It is mostly due to the damaged skin barrier. Whereas for dry skin, it is actually the lack of the skin ability to produce oil. Oil acts against the evaporation of moisture, so the lack of the oil production is the reason the skin cannot retain the moisture inside the skin, causing the skin to become dry. So the very common issue I find with people having dry skin is that they usually focus too much on moisturization. In fact, this is the reason behind the unresolved dryness. So in order to treat dry skin, first we will need to understand the reason behind all this lack of oil production. First one, it could be due to inherent. It means that skin genetically produce less oil and sebum. There's also a chance that you have been overly removing the excess oil. So even if you produce enough oil for your skin, by overly removing it, it leads to the lack of moisture. The third reason, it could be due to aging. As we know that the rate of the sebum secretion decreases as we age. Now, after we understand all the possible reasons of the lack of oil production, let's go with the tips for treating dry skin. First, be really mindful of the water temperature while you wash your face. Try to use lukewarm water during the cleansing phase. This is because that high temperature water will suck out the internal moisture of the skin, causing it to become more dry. So other than taking note of the water temperature, try to reduce the cleanser usage down to once per day and rather go with the option to use cleanser only before bed. So in the morning, just do a simple wash with water that would be sufficient. This will ensure that it does not strip the moisture off your skin. Besides that, you should really take note of the cleanser that you have been using as well. Try to use gel or cream-like cleanser with a really gentle formula. The one that I would recommend here is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, or the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser would be good enough as well. Other than these two, La Roche Posay Hydrating Cleanser is also a good option. So the fourth tip here would be try to wash your face as fast as possible. Well, regardless of how gentle the formula is, cleansers inevitably will take away your natural oil or moisture on your skin. So try to clean your face as fast as possible. You might think that with dry skin, exfoliation is not so important, but it's not. It is really important. So exfoliation will take away all the dead skin that's sitting on top of your skin that will prevent the absorption of moisturizer and also the hydrating products. By exfoliating the top layer of the dead skin cells, it will help to hydrate the new skin cells, so it will let the products absorb better into your skin. It is really normal for dry skin type to want to use really occlusive moisturizer to try to prevent any transepidermal water loss. However, don't use to occlusive moisturizer. Occlusive is actually an oily substance that acts as a barrier on the surface of the skin to lock in the moisture. Of course, it would be easier to choose occlusive oils, really heavy and thick moisturizer for dry skin. However, by layering a thick layer of wax and oil, it actually prevents the outside moisture from getting into your skin as well. But this doesn't mean that you don't have to use moisturizer. So other than using a moisturizer, try to make use of toners, serums, and also sometimes the moisturizer that is really rich in humectants. Humectants are substances that attracts and retains the water molecule from the air and in your skin. A really good example of this would be hyaluronic acid, AHA, and also glycerin. However, be really careful when you want to use humectants, especially if you are in a dry environment, because it will draw the moisture from your skin instead of from the environment. If you want to know more about humectants or specifically the hyaluronic acid, I actually make a video about it. If you're interested, just check it out. I'll link it in the description box and also on the screen as well. A moisturizer that I would recommend here would be the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This moisturizer has glycerin, which will help you to hydrate and moisturize your skin, and it's really good for eczema as well, so definitely check it out. The next would be our most important tip, which is to invest in a humidifier. Doesn't matter whether it is for dry skin or dehydrated skin, it is best to create a humid environment because that's what your skincare products with humectants grasp onto in order to hydrate and also moisturize your skin. So we have taken care of all the external factor. How about our internal factor, which is our diet and also the supplements? If you have dry skin, try to incorporate a fat-rich diet like salmon, avocado, chia seeds, hemp seeds. All these food are good for our brain function, our cell growth, and also, of course, for our skin health. The supplement that you could take for dry skin type would be the omega fatty acid. This is the best supplement you can take for skin. For omega fatty acid, try to take cod liver oil because it is rich in omega fat and also fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A and also vitamin D. Another tip that I would recommend, and it is also something that I would really like, which is massage your face. By massaging your face, it would help to increase the microcirculation that will help your skin to transfer the nutrients and also the oxygen to the skin cells and also transport the waste out of the skin cells as well. All these are probably quite general tips, but I hope you find this video helpful. I personally have combination skin, which means I have oily T-zone and my cheeks are dry, so some of these tips are based on my personal experience and some of them are based on my research or my friends' experience. If you have any tips related to dry skin or any product recommendations, please leave your comments down below so that our friends here can get to know more about it. If there is any topic that you would like me to discuss, please leave your comments down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of the upcoming video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!